Queen is dead. I repeat, the Queen Elizabeth II is dead. But here's what you don't know about her. She was not just the Queen of England. She was the Queen of Canada, New Zealand, Jamaica, Australia, Papua New Guinea, and 9 other countries all over the world. Now that she's gone, everything is gonna change. Money is gonna change. Passports are gonna change. And the whole world is gonna change. Here's how. When the Queen dies, a few things happen. 1, her oldest son becomes king. That's why now King Charles III is the official king of Britain.
God save the king.
God save the king.
2, the money changes. Immediately after her death, Britain stopped making money and stamps with the Queen's face on it. All new printed money will now have the King's face on it. Don't worry, old money notes are still valid. 3, the British passport will also change. All mentions of the Queen or Her Majesty in all passports will be changed to the King and His Majesty. Don't worry, your current British passport still works. The changes will happen when you need to renew it. 4, the British national anthem will also change. No more God Save the Queen. From now on, it will be God Save the King. Even the police hats will change too. The hats now say the letters ER II, referring to Elizabeth Regina, but they will be changed to CR III, referring to Charles Rex. And it doesn't stop there. Internationally, things will change. The Queen of England is also the Queen of 15 other countries, and after her death, many of them will go into a state of mourning for 10 days. Yes, that includes the tiny country of St. Kitts and Nevis, where she was also queen. But after the mourning period, expect some shakeups. Some of these countries may want a new beginning. They may want to break away from the English monarchy. At least 6 countries have shown interest in doing that, like Jamaica. For the longest time, they didn't want to offend or part ways with the Queen. But with her death, things are different. In 2022, there is no reason for a king in Britain to also be the king in Papua New Guinea. If these countries want to break away from the English monarchy, King Charles can't do anything about it.
I shall strive to follow the inspiring example in upholding constitutional government and to seek the peace, harmony and prosperity of the peoples of these islands.
At the end of the day, these are independent countries. The Queen was loved and respected because she was holding this whole thing together. She was a symbol of class, of stability, ruling for over 70 years. She saw wars, the beginning of television, the first computers. The world kept changing, but the Queen was always there as the only constant. And now, with her death, you should expect everything to change, from the hat of a police officer to the entire world. Rest in peace, Queen Elizabeth.
We should take comfort that while we may have more still to endure, better days will return.